How to create budget categories and goals in YNAB. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the plan option from the bottom bar. Here you will see a list of your existing categories and subcategories. To create a new category, tap on the Notes with Pencil icon in the top right corner and then tap on the three dots. From here, select New Category Group. Give the category group a name such as personal expenses, frequent expenses, goals, or others. Next, you can add a subcategory by tapping the plus icon next to the group. Enter a name for your category, for example, insurance, retirement, savings, gym, and others. To set up a budget goal for that category, tap on the category and select Add Category. Choose the type of goal you want to set, for example, weekly, monthly, yearly, or custom by date. Enter the amount you want to save or spend and set the timeline for your goal. Then tap on the Save Target button. After creating the goal, YNAB will track your progress automatically as you add transactions to that category. You will be able to see how close you are to reaching your goal and adjust your spending if needed. Repeat this process for all categories you want to track and set goals for. Now you know how to create budget categories and goals in YNAB. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.